Hi, and welcome to Neo's Makeup. I'm Neo, and today, this is technically not an makeup look, but this is a video or look inspired by my friend Megan, because like all the rest of the videos, this is part of Friends Week, and I just have to say, Megan is probably my oldest friend that I have that I still keep in touch with. She and I have been friends since 5th grade. Oh my gosh, I feel old. And out of all my friends from middle school, high school, she and I, okay, well, first of all, same elementary school from 4th through 5th grade, same middle school, same high school until she left. Um, but Megan's someone who was always inspiring to me because she would do something weird with her makeup, have fun with it, and it always looked good. Even if she wasn't sure about it, I'm like, girl, that's different. I like it. Um, she was the inspiration for my Harley Quinn look whenever I had like the black, the red, the red. Because one day she came in to school. I think it was school, or it might have been we went skating, one of the two, and she had like silver, black, and I'm just like, I love this, and I always like I still have it so visually stuck in my head because I'm just like, someday I had to do that. I had to recreate that look. Um, and just like with all the rest of Friends Week, I am constantly inspired by her. Funny enough, with my last giveaway, she was the winner, which surprised me so much. I'm like, girl, you won! Ayo Sips, you won! And it just, I, I was so surprised, and it warmed my heart that I could actually give something back to her for always inspiring me. So, before I get into this video, I just had to explain the colors. Megan and I, like I said, we have a history spanning from 5th grade to now. So that's from 2006 to now, because 2006 was whenever we first were in 5th grade. Which feels weird to say. So I've known her for a few years. Anyway, she has a lot of love and a lot of warmth, which is why you have like the warmth over here and with the lip. Plus, she used to always be the queen of a red lip, so I'm honoring that. Also, I just like love this red. Anastasia killed it. Anyway, within the last like few months, Megan really started to do like makeup again. She started getting really creative, and she's been going with a lot of purples, a lot of blacks. But to stay true to that original look that stuck in my head, I had to throw in some white and some silver. Because even though she's going for like this really cool goth aesthetic now, there's always a lot of light in her and a lot of love. I'm gonna have to stop before I start crying. But yeah, Megan, thank you for inspiring me. I had to say, because I'm filming these out of order. This is the first video I filmed with this series, and I am. Oh, there's a reason it's on Thanksgiving today. Anyway, I need to stop rambling because this is already at 4 minutes, and I want you to actually see the video. So yeah. I'm gonna go. And again, Megan, thank you. Thank you, sis. Okay, so let's get started. I already took care of my eyebrows, which they're not as today as they were the other day. Sorry, this is technically the first video I'm recording out of the series, even though I know this is going up on Thursday. I'm filming out of order, so whatever. Eyebrows are not as bad as they were with the SB on video, which was the last video I recorded. And I already took care of my primer and my base. And for base today, I actually used Breakaway from the Born to Run palette by Urban Decay, and we're using this today. I do just want to use Still Shot real quick, just to buff that into the crease, that way everything else I apply goes well. So again, this is going to be going just above my crease. Okay, so now for this next shade, I'm going to be retrying this brush. I haven't tried it again since. But I'm going to be going into Hell Ride and really placing that like in the crease. And I'm actually going to leave like the outer third without this color. And I'm being really careful with this brush because it's like going in and blending at the same time. So this brush is like doing double duty and laying this color down very nicely. I just want to be very strategic and place it like literally right in the crease and like just below it as well. Now I'm gonna go do that on this eye. Okay, so now that we have that, I really like how this is looking. By the way, I've had no kick up in the pans, so that's really nice. I'm going to be taking the same brush, and I'm going to be taking the shade Baja, and really focusing that on the outer third, instead of the Hell Ride shade that I was just using. Real quickly, taking my Sephora Collection number 10 brush just to blend. I'm going to take Punk and really like place that on the outer V to like add some more definition. Maybe bring it into the crease, we'll see. So this is where I feel like this palette just needs like a really dark matte plum to like really deepen, because that would be perfect for this look. But I don't have that, so I'm not gonna work with it. Real quickly, I'm going to take the shade Jet, which is a nice like satin matte. I'm going to place that on the lid to get ready for what I'm going to put on top. Okay, so this black is disappointing, but I'm just going to blend that slightly so that we can get ready for what I'm going to put on top, which plays into this like purple grunge look, which I'm just living for. Like, ooh, yes. Okay, so on top of Jet, I'm going to take one of my MAC Dazzle Shadow liquids. This is in the shade Panther Eyes. I'm going to place that on top. And what I'm actually going to do is, instead of taking the applicator, I'm going to take this little e.l.f. small smudge brush, take a little bit at a time and just place it where I want it. So it's like almost like a cut crease, but not really. That's pretty. So I'm gonna go do that on this eye. I'm gonna try to darken out this area to blend it easily, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the eyes on. I love this. So real quickly, I'm actually going to take my Urban Decay Razor Sharp eyeliner in Bump. I'm going to do a white wing. I don't know if I'm going to take it all the way in. We'll see. I'm going to go do that, put on lashes, everything else, full face, and I'll be right back. And you'll see which one I did, if I did like part wing or like full wing, because I still don't know. We're going to see. Okay, and we're back. Yeah, I am loving this look. Okay. Now we're going to go to the lower lash line, which is gonna be fun. For the lower lash, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Fenty Fly Liner and create a second wing that goes all the way around and cuts up in here. I'm super nervous about this because if I mess this up, I'm going to die. Honestly, no, I am just super nervous about this because I haven't done an underwing before. Actually, no, I have, and it was the first time I did makeup, and it was a mess. Anyway, I'm going to try, and we'll see how it goes. Maybe I should map it out with eyeshadow first. Let me do that. Anyway, I'm taking a Marc Jacobs. This is an Omega eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Dynamo. I'm just going to like slightly and lightly get that look I'm going for. Okay, now I'm going to try the fly liner since I have my little guide. Kinda. I'm nervous. Taking a little bit of that Marc Jacobs eyeshadow again, I'm going to just like try and blend that out. Before I go to the other eye, actually, you know what? I'm going to take some of the shades I used up here and probably blend that out. Before I do that, I do want to take Aluminum Foil by L'Oreal and just place it on the inner corner and in that little blank space. Okay, so I did get the eyes. Again, blended Daddy-O, I think that's the name of it, right? Dynamo, sorry. I took Dynamo, blended it out, then I took Hellride and Baja, blended that out, and I took a, like a nice cream shade that's closer to my skin tone, called The Weekender, which is right above here. And I used that to help blend everything out, and I'm like, whoa, this is big looking, but at the same time, I love it. And I did take one other thing in for the inner corner. I took my NYX, this is the metallic eyeliner in the shade Silver. Pop that on the inner corner, put aluminum foil on top. Now my camera's saying it's about to die, so real quickly I'm going to take Phantom by Anastasia Beverly Hills, apply that to my lips. I'm also going to set my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are at the finished look, and I am obsessed, honestly. I was really nervous about this look, but I love how it came out. And Megan, I hope you did too. Thank you for being one of my best friends for so long, and I'm so grateful to have you in my life. Anyway, my camera's about to die again. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like me, you want to see more, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me, I already said, if you like me, you want to see more, please just subscribe and click the little bell button so you get notified every time I release a new video. I'm brain dead right now. I honestly love how this turned out. Like, it's so different for me, but at the same time, I'm like, this is my wheelhouse. This is my color wheelhouse. I love it. I love this lipstick. And this highlighter's booming. Anyway, again, Megan, thank you for being my friend, and I'm so grateful to have you. Thank you for always inspiring me. Thank you. Yeah, I don't know what to say, so yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys next time, which will be tomorrow. Whoops. Okay, I have to go. Bye.